From Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority, Gender and Development.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
Hey, September 10, 2024 edition of this radio show. All right, and first check the time. It's now 11:13. All right, second hour of this radio show, 11:13 a.m. Time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Check out the Tap to Win e-raffle promo. For every 500 peso purchase entitles you to one raffle coupon, e-raffle coupon that is. This is only until September 15, so you better hurry. You will get the chance to win a brand new iPhone 15. That's the first prize. Wow, brand new iPhone 15. Mas mahal pa sa kidney. And two winners of the Samsung A55 for the second prize. Dalawa ha? Not one, but two. And 9 winners. Third prize. Not 1, not 2, not 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not even 8. But 9. Samsung Galaxy A55. Grabe, galing. Alright, so you better join. Earn extra points when you purchase on the sponsored products and use your Royal Privilege Card RPC Gold. All right? So until September 15 only, hurry at Royal Duty Free Store 1 and Store 2, of course, kasali. All right? And speaking of September 10, bilis ng araw, no? September 10 kagad. The 10th of September. we're already 1/3 done for September. All right? Dahil September 10 na, so 20 days to go. October na. Bilis. Okay? So September 10 holidays and observances this time. And the famous birthdays, of course, brought to you this time by Wawas Junior, Subic Bay Freeport branch. All right? We have we have our branch here at the Subic Bay Freeport. Stall number 18, one-stop shop building. Just beside the Subic Gym and Remy Field. Okay? 0927-895-9714 for inquiries. Okay? And for the Lincoln Heights Subdivision branch naman, meron din, of course, at the Lincoln Heights Subdivision, Wawas Junior. The phone number there, if you want yours delivered, pwedeng pa-deliver. Okay? 0927-950-8775. That's in Dinalupihan. And speaking of Dinalupihan, whenever you're in Dinalupihan, you might as well check the following eateries there. Masasarap yung pagkain. Ano? Ma, I'm hungry. Pangalan pa lang, alam mong mapapakain ka because you're hungry. Also, Taco Bataan and Cafe Filipina. Alright? That's those eateries are in Dinalupian, Bataan. Pero dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, we have Wawas Junior for the best tasting flame grilled quarter pounder burgers. All right, on with today's September 10 holidays and observances. Unang-una muna, we have what's this? September 10 holidays and observances for you. Okay, come on, computer. Ants on Log Day, National Port Wine Day, TV Dinner Day. Do you guys do that? You have dinner in front of the TV. Also, September 10 is Swap Ideas Day. All right? Also, International Makeup Day. May mga magaling mag-makeup, no? Galing. I saw this woman in Facebook. I don't know if she's Chinese or Taiwanese. She looks Asian. Even though she's Asian, sa galing niya mag-makeup, she transformed herself into, different celebrities na kuwang-kuwa, kamukhang-kamukha. I forgot the name kasi eh. Diba? One of which, imagine an Asian woman magiging kamukha ni Kobe Bryant. Galing, di ba? That's how cool she is. Kaya niya rin gayahin si Keanu Reeves, ginaya niya rin si Beyonce. Galing. The makeup transformation na videos niya. I forgot the name. I wanna share it with you, Do you guys also know September 10 is World Suicide Prevention Day? All right. I'm glad that humanity has came up with this. Yung mga pinagdadaanan ng tao minsan hindi natin alam, no? We don't know. World Suicide Prevention Day. We should look for the signs sa mga kaibigan, kamag-anak natin. Are they depressed? But then again, hindi lang yung depressed ang ang may tendency mag-suicide eh. Minsan hindi mo alam no? Sometimes the people who are always laughing, always smiling, always funny, sila pa pala may pinagdadaanan na mag-lead to them committing suicide. Take Take Robin Williams, for example. Di ba? We didn't saw him sad. We didn't saw him depressed. And yet, yun, nagulat na lang tayo one day, no? Nag-commit pala, no? So, we should look for the signs. Sometimes sila pa nga yung yung mga sinasabi nila na they shout to the world na that they're happy. Di ba? Happy raw sila, masaya daw sila. Pero yung pala, yun na yung papunta na pala doon, ano? Okay? So we should always look for the signs, watch out for the signs. Hindi lahat ng depressed or malungkot, sila pala yung magsusuicide. Minsan yung sumisigaw pa na live to be happy, parang gano'n. Yeah, sila pa pala. Kaya, ayun, that's one of today's observances, September 10. World Suicide Prevention Day. Yan. Tulungan nating ma-prevent. Kawawa naman. Di ba? Baka mag-suicide. Alright, that's just about it. Today's holidays and observances. And now, for those who are celebrating their birthdays today, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Famous people celebrating their birthdays today includes Filipino singer of Spanish descent, Junior. Do you guys remember Junior? Alright? Akala siguro ng marami yung kumanta ng yung song na, do you remember? But if you leave me... Kahit ako, when I was a kid, akala ko foreigner kumanta niya. Filipino pala. He was born in Manila, but he's of Spanish descent. And Filipino-Spanish, actually. Junior. He goes by the name Junior as an artist. Okay, but he's actually born Antonio Barreto Morales back in September 10 of 1943. All right. The last time I checked an article, I read an article about him. He's abroad na. He's somewhere else. I forgot which country. Hanapin ko uli. Kwento ko sa inyo. That song became popular again a couple of years ago when it was revived by the artist who goes by the name, ayan na naman, Brain Cells Gone Haywire. Sino yung artist na nag-revive? Check natin. Meron tayo dito nun. But anyways, I'll play for you the original version, syempre. Dahil yun ang my birthday, no? The original artist behind it. Artist who goes by the name Junior, September 10, 1943. There you go. So you bet he's old. And actor William Martinez, okay, during the Bagets days, alam mo na, ayan, brother niya si Albert Martinez, magkapatid na parehong pogi. William Martinez is the birthday celebrant. September 10, 1962, the actress during the golden age of cinema in the Philippines, Mary Walter, all right, was born September 10, 1912. She became a bit controversial during her heydays because she had I don't know if it was a video or a photo where she posed naked walking on the beach with her long hair. Mahaba kasi yung buhok nito, no? Her long hair, however, is she put it in front of her, covering her doubles, her double whammy. All right. So Mary Walter was born September 10, 1912. Tagal na, syempre. Yeah. Okay, nung panahon pa siya ng the golden age of cinema of the Philippine cinema. Okay? And Matt Rife, one of my favorite comedians. If you're not familiar with him, go check his works on YouTube. He was born September 10, 1995. He's really funny. All right? He was casted on MTV's Wild and Out before becoming, full-blown stand-up comedian. Okay? Next up, we have Mikey Way, who is the bass guitarist for the band My Chemical Romance. Kapatid ni Gerard Way, who is the lead vocalist naman. Alright, they're founding members, the Way Brothers. I just realized, Mikey, buti na lang di siya pinangalan ng Milky. Milky Way. Kaya pag binasa mo yung Milky Way, minsan parang magkakamali ka masasabi mo Milky Way. Kinda looks like it. And Mikey Way was born September 10, 1980. Next up, we have movie actor Colin Firth, September 10, 1960. Another movie actor, Ryan Phillip. He was in Cruel Intentions in the very popular I Know What You Did Last Summer. Ryan Phillip was born September 10, 1974. Turns 50 today. Next up, we have Gabriel Bateman, who was a child actor, pero he turns 20 na today. All right. And he was in the 2019 remake of Child's Play. And the horror film Lights Out. You remember Lights Out? He turns 20 na, no? Pero he started young. Kaya yung picture niya, parang, child actor pa siya. And lastly, one of the richest men in the world, Jack Ma, who is the founder and owner of Alibaba, a Chinese e-commerce company. First time I heard about Alibaba, first time I found out it was a Chinese company. Natawa ako kasi Alibaba tapos Chinese. Alibaba is an Arabian thing, right? Arabian name actually, to be exact. Diba? Arab, Persians, and the likes, And yeah, they all look alike. Jack Ma was born September 10, 1964. So there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you September 10 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Birthday.